morning to all students of class 12th RS Inter College Kanpur. Today I am going to teach you prose in English. And in prose the chapter's name is Women's Education, which is written by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. I want to tell you that Radhakrishnan was great philosopher, he was a teacher, great writer and great politician also. He had sound knowledge in Vedas. He believed in Indian culture. He became the Vice President of India. Later, he became the President of India after death of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India, and after his death, Dr. Radhakrishnan became the second President of India. And he worked very nicely, he was very laborious, he was a great scholar, and he had been the Chancellor and Professor of various universities of India. And he wrote also about Indian culture and about the superstitions of India, which are the hurdles in the development of the India and in development in the life of Indians, which should be removed at any cost. In this way, in education system also, he has described in the lesson Women's Education, he has expressed his emotions, his thoughts about the education system which is given in India in the schools and colleges this time. In the Middle Ages, when India was not free, the women were kept within four walls and development was very impossible for their personality. But after getting independence, India became free and women were also given attention for the development for their personalities. In this section, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan also is saying that now women have got much occasion of their working. They have got the great opportunities for their works, as they can do social work, they can do religious work, they can also do public work, and according to their qualifications, they can also go in administration. Like any of them may be social worker, any of them may be religious woman also, and they may also go in administration. After getting education, they may be teacher, they may be governor, they may be DM, commissioner, etc. And they may be also administrator, they may be chief minister, prime minister, MLA, MP. There is no bar, there is no hurdle in the development of their personality. They may get any sphere for their development, to show their capacity, to show their brilliance, to show their intelligence. They are given perfect opportunity for their development and for working today. But the writer says that the women should be self-controlled minded. They should work disciplined mind. They should work honestly and continuously. The society needs now the women are disciplined minded and also who are highly educated. Because if our women are educated, our India will develop, our human society will develop, and that's why it is very necessary that education should be given. The writer says that though there is great spread of education in the schools and colleges, in university levels, but the writer is not satisfied with the kind of education that is given in the universities. He says that in universities and colleges and schools the education is given that is only bookish, is not practical. Means it does not give moral value, it does not give the practical knowledge. After getting knowledge, the students have to wander here and there in seeking job. So he says that our education should be such kind of that our students may earn their living and they may also not wander here and there in search of job and in depression. In depression, many of them also give up their life. So such kind of education is not good. Writer says that according to the purposes of the present conditions, the education should be given, so that after getting education, when the students leave the college or school, they may get sufficient occasion to earn their living. They may not be dependent on others for their living. They may not be depressed in lack of the money and in lack of the job. That's why the writer says that our education should be improved according to the changing conditions of the world and of the country, so that all students may develop their personality and may get, after getting education, they may be helpful to their parents, they may be helpful in the development of the country. Thank you very much. Today I am telling you only till this event, and tomorrow I will explain you the remaining part of this story, this lesson. You have to write down question answers in the fair copy. I am sending few written question answers of this lesson, Women's Education, to your WhatsApp. Then see your WhatsApp, start to write down the question answers in the fair copy. And homework you have to do, I am giving to you homework. Prose lesson 2, 3, 4, FIB, you have to do yourself in fair copy. Character of Antonio to learn and to write in the homework copy. This work you have to do, and you should also pay attention to my advice that you have to prepare everything, because within few days your test will be started, and so you have to prepare also for the test. You may obtain good marks, I hope so. Thank you very much.